Hi, I'm Bruce Campbell. This is a 1964 Mulliner Park Ward Silver Cloud Flying Spur. It's a very long name and a very unique car. This is a custom car. They only built 17 of these cars, and I think there are 7 that have air conditioning, and only 2 of those have right-hand drive or left-hand drive. So this is one of 2. They're all aluminum. It weighs 1,700 pounds less than a standard Rolls-Royce, and it was built actually to become an owner-driver car in the continent where people used to like to travel. Very fast, actually, because it's so light. It's a V8. It's got power steering and power brakes. I love this car. Got it in Florida. Got it about 10 years. And it was built for Philip Glass's mother. Now, Philip Glass is a composer in England. His mother lives in France, and it was her car. And that's why it's left-hand drive, actually, because it was built for France. And that's also why it has those little lights on the side, on the bodywork. Those are French, that's a French law. You have to have lights like that on the top.